Peneelily 6-in-1. Restore glowing skin in 6 steps. Address dullness, pigmentation, acne, wrinkles, oily skin in one go. Portable yet professional. Combine suction and hydrating solutions to effectively cleanse dirt, oil, and impurities from skin surface and pores. Ultrafine mist below 10 micrometers deeply moisturizes skin, quenching skin's thirst. High-frequency ultrasonic waves, deep into the skin, gently loosening dirt and dead skin cells without irritation. Rapidly tighten pores, giving the skin a firmer and smoother appearance. Open skin's micropores, precisely delivering active ingredients deep into the skin. Simulate body's bioelectric currents, improving skin firmness and elasticity. Peneelily 6-in-1. Awaken rejuvenated skin.
Use makeup remover to get rid of dirt, grease, or makeup on face. Clean face. Apply the cotton wet with blackhead removing liquid to the area where there are blackheads and whiteheads. Cover eye area and apply hot steam 10 minutes. The hot steam works to expand pores so as to help cleanse pores and promote nutrient absorption. Cleanse pores and skin. Hydrofacial can suction blackheads and whiteheads and relieve acne to leave skin smooth and clean. expansion is used to reduce blackheads, whiteheads, and acne into small particles, and then remove them. One press is to cleanse pores. Let the convex side of the scrubber face outwards and use wet tissue during treatment. Do not wipe face dry after using the sprayer. Move the scrubber on jaw, cheek, and forehead. The handpiece on jaw, cheek, and forehead. Based on the thermal expansion and contraction, it can contract pores, soothe and repair skin, and smooth out wrinkles. Ultrasound stimulate cell regrowth and help with nutrient introduction. Set parameters 3 to 7 NS level, 10 to 15 minutes of working time, and mode A are recommended respectively. Apply essence to face and then move the handpiece from jaw to cheek. Move the handpiece on jaw, cheek, and forehead in circular motion. Use one hand as the handpiece to lift the front jaw towards cheek alternately. Clean face. Bio, firm and tighten skin and promote cellular penetrability and metabolism. Set parameters 3 to 7 at its level, 10 to 15 minutes of working time, and mode A are recommended respectively. Apply gel to face and then move the handpiece from jaw towards cheek. Move the handpiece on jaw, cheek, and forehead in circular motion. Clean face. Apply face mask, wait for 15 minutes. Remove face mask. Clean face. Apply toner, essence, lotion, face cream, and sun cream.